Hello there, welcome to this tutorial in which you will learn how to trade jump indices on Deriv. Now here, as a beginner, you first need to create an account if you don't have one, and then after creating one, you will tap here to land on Traders Hub. So let's say that you are on your real account because the first time you will be on your demo. You first need to open the real, and then after opening the real account, just go to after opening your real account, just go to this Deriv trader, and then I leave a link in the description. Use it to get 5% fees on every trade that you make. So there's a link in the description. Click it and create an account. Now here, as you can see, we have the Deriv trader. The first time you will have a gate icon, so you just click on the gate and then create an account. But for me, I have already clicked on that gate, and then after that I added a password. So what I will just do after doing that, you just tap on open. Here we have the download icon for Windows, so you should be using your PC or your laptop, and for this just go to download. So tap on download, and then you will download the Deriv trader. Install it, and then after installing it, open it, and you will log in with your details, Deriv details. So this is the place that you will land, and to explain it in a real quick way, just change your current time here and change to your local time. So I have changed to my time so that I can trade this thing according to my time. Then as you can see here, I want to show you we have the latency here. So this latency, you can change it to the first latency that you can get here, so that when you execute a trade, it is placed on faster. But here it does not matter. So what I will show you is we have this indicator that you have to add on the market that you are trading. So let's say that I want to choose a jump index. I just come here and then I search for jump, and all jump indexes, I can see them here. So I will open them, and then I'll choose one that I want. So let me choose, let's say I want 25. I choose it there, and then this is the chart. So if I want to see how the market is going, I can just look when the market crosses, when these three lines crosses each other, I will enter the market. But there are settings that you have to put in place on this indicator, which I will show you. So the first thing, change the chart to 5 minutes, and then after changing to 5 minutes, we have this indicator. You can just right click on your mouse and then go to indicators, or you can open this icon, just tap on it, add indicator, and then we have this simple alligator is the one that I chose. So after choosing that icon, let me show you the settings that you will enter. So make sure you enter these settings. Here you enter 11, 6, 25, 5, 6, 6, and then hit OK. So this is the indicator that you will get. So here, when the lines crosses, enter the market just right away. And then to enter the market, we have these two, sell and buy. So here is where you choose whether you want to sell. Sell means you are predicting it to go down. Buy means you are predicting it to go up. And then here we have the margin here, and then we have the lots. So here choose the lots that this is the amount of money you are willing to lose, so that you get that profit. So here you can see, you can choose, when you choose a higher lot, then you increase the risk also. So according to your account, because this is a demo account, I just choose a risk that I'm comfortable with. So I'll go to either 2. Let me go, okay, I cannot go beyond that one. Okay, now because this market moves a lot, I will not go past this past this margin. So that is why they are limiting beyond that margin. Then if I'm contented with that, I just place an order. And then here you can see I'm on my demo, so I can just press here if I want to change my account to real account. So just press there and then you can change it to a real account. And then after placing an order, so let me see whether we have a market that has crossed those lines so that I place right away. So as you can see, there is no market that those lines has crossed each other, but I'll just show you how you can just place the order. So be sure to wait it out because you don't want to risk your money anyhowly. So after confirming that your market is going up or down, you just place an order and then that order will appear here. So this is the order. If I want to double it, I can just tap here and then I will be doubling. So if I'm contented with that profit, I just close here. So you can see this is a fast moving market, and then you have to wait this line to cross and then enter that trade. So I just close it using this button and then it will appear here after I have closed. So all those trades will appear here, and then we have a journal here, so you can see what you've done, and then we have the transactions if you have deposited, and then we have the history I have talked about. So that is it. And if you want to withdraw your money, just go back to the web, and then here we have the transfer button. Transfer your funds back to the USD account, and then you can withdraw it. So if I want to do that, I just choose this trader, and then you can see this is already chosen. If I still want to transfer the money back to this, I'll just do the opposite. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.